Do you crave restaurant-quality pizza at home without the hassle of delivery? Do you dream of impressing your friends and family with a backyard pizza party featuring perfectly cooked pies? The Bighorn Outdoors Pizza Oven with its wood pellet-fueled design might just be your ticket to pizza perfection. This review delves into the functionalities, potential drawbacks, and overall effectiveness of the Bighorn Outdoors Pizza Oven to help you decide if it's the perfect addition to your outdoor cooking arsenal. Fast and furious pizza cooking. From preheating to perfection in minutes, the Bighorn Outdoors Pizza Oven boasts an impressive preheating time of just 18 minutes. Once it reaches its scorching temperatures of up to 860 degrees Fahrenheit 460 C, you can cook delicious pizzas in as little as 90 seconds. This rapid cooking time ensures that your pizza crusts achieve that coveted Neapolitan-style char without overcooking the toppings. And it's not just pizza. The Bighorn Outdoors Pizza Oven also excels at roasting steaks, fish, vegetables, and other dishes, making it a versatile outdoor cooker. Portable pizza power, perfect for backyard gatherings and camping adventures, weighing in at only 25 pounds. The Bighorn Outdoors Pizza Oven is a surprisingly lightweight and portable option. The folding legs make it easy to set up and dismantle without requiring any tools. This portability makes it ideal for backyard pizza parties, camping trips, or tailgate gatherings. Imagine the bragging rights you'll have when you show up with your own personal pizza oven. Built to last, durable stainless steel construction for safe and long-lasting use, the Bighorn Outdoors Pizza Oven prioritizes safety and durability. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel, this oven is resistant to rust and corrosion, ensuring it can withstand the elements for years to come. The stainless steel construction also ensures safe cooking for all types of food, giving you peace of mind while you're whipping up culinary masterpieces. Easy to operate and clean, enjoy pizza perfection without the fuss. Operating the Bighorn Outdoors Pizza Oven is a breeze. Simply preheat for 18 minutes, slide in your pizza, rotate it occasionally to ensure even cooking, and enjoy. The wood pellet fuel source eliminates the need for messy charcoal or propane, simplifying the cooking process. Cleaning is also straightforward. The oven components can be easily disassembled for quick cleaning and storage. A few considerations before you buy. Ignition tips and Neapolitan-style nuances. While the Bighorn Outdoors Pizza Oven offers a compelling set of features, there are a few factors to consider before making a purchase. Some users might find the initial ignition process a bit tricky, especially with damp pellets. Following the manufacturer's instructions and using a reliable fire starter can help ensure a smooth lighting experience. Additionally, it's important to note that the Neapolitan-style cooking excels with minimal toppings, so if you're a fan of a heavily loaded pizza, this oven might require some experimentation to achieve the perfect results. The verdict: a portable powerhouse for perfectly cooked pizzas and outdoor cooking adventures. Overall, the Bighorn Outdoors Pizza Oven presents a strong option for anyone who loves delicious pizza and enjoys outdoor cooking. The rapid cooking time, impressive temperature range, and portability make it a standout choice. The durable stainless steel construction and user-friendly design add to its appeal. While there might be a slight learning curve with the ignition process and Neapolitan-style cooking, the rewards are undoubtedly worth it. If you're looking for a portable and easy-to-use pizza oven that delivers restaurant-quality results, then the Bighorn Outdoors Pizza Oven is definitely worth considering. Just remember the ignition tips and embrace the art of Neapolitan-style pizza for an unforgettable outdoor cooking experience. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.